Imagine waking up in a city where everything just works. Traffic flows, appointments are scheduled, and new policies are drafted overnight by algorithms. This isn't sci-fi. It's a future quietly being built as governments worldwide hand over key systems to AI, from city planning to policy advice. But what does it mean when the machinery of the state is powered by code? Let's break down the truth about automated governments. Estonia is leading the way, building its government on a digital backbone, Estonia. Here, AI handles everything from tax declarations to legal claims, making government services available 24/7. The promise? Speed, efficiency, and impartiality. Algorithms don't get tired or play favorites. Routine interactions are handled instantly, ideally without bias. Estonia proves AI-powered public services aren't just possible. They're already reality for over 1 million people. But the question of algorithmic bias still looms. For AI governance to work, it needs data, lots of it. Smart cities use sensors and databases to collect real-time info on everything from traffic to energy use. This data feeds central AI systems which analyze patterns and make decisions faster than any human could. In agriculture, for example, AI can detect droughts early and adjust resources instantly. The result? A government that anticipates and adapts, becoming proactive instead of reactive. The foundation is a living, breathing model of society, but this level of surveillance raises new questions about privacy and control. AI is transforming law enforcement with predictive policing, using data to forecast where crimes might occur. Countries like Singapore and the UAE deploy officers based on AI-generated risk maps. While this can reduce crime, it risks reinforcing existing biases, creating feedback loops of over-policing. The debate: can justice be truly fair when it's driven by historical data and algorithms? The stakes are high. Fairness and accountability are on the line. Healthcare is another frontier. AI manages logistics, predicts bottlenecks, and allocates resources in real time. Systems in the UK and China use AI to optimize hospital capacity and detect disease outbreaks early. This turns healthcare from reactive to proactive, giving officials a head start in crises. AI's early warning systems can save lives, but also raise concerns about data privacy. The challenge: balancing efficiency with ethical responsibility. AI is now helping draft legislation, analyzing data to suggest laws that are more effective and less biased. Lawmakers can input policy goals, and AI generates draft bills with predicted impacts. This could speed up lawmaking and highlight unintended consequences before they happen. But ensuring unbiased data and understanding complex social issues remains a massive challenge. The idea of machines shaping laws is a leap we're only beginning to grapple with. On the world stage, AI is a strategic tool simulating negotiations and modeling outcomes for diplomats. Governments use AI to prepare for trade deals and international agreements, running thousands of scenarios. This data-driven approach turns diplomacy into a science, not just an art. The AI diplomat is a silent partner, quietly shaping global politics. AI-driven tax systems could make fiscal policy dynamic, adjusting tax rates in real time based on economic indicators. Instead of waiting for political debates, the AI tweaks taxes to stabilize the economy. If inflation rises, it can raise consumption taxes. If recession looms, it can lower income taxes. The goals smooth out economic cycles with proactive, data-driven management. It's a bold vision for the future of public finance. In disasters, AI processes sensor data to issue instant warnings and coordinate rescue efforts. Japan's tsunami system uses AI to predict and alert citizens within moments, saving lives. After disasters, AI analyzes imagery to guide rescue teams and allocate resources efficiently. AI is becoming the central nervous system of emergency response. Speed and precision are transforming crisis management. AI is entering courtrooms, assisting judges by analyzing legal data and suggesting rulings. In China and the US, AI reviews evidence and drafts documents, aiming for consistency and efficiency. But if the data is biased, so are the outcomes, raising deep concerns about fairness. The debate centers on whether justice can be truly impartial when filtered through algorithms. Human empathy and accountability remain essential. With AI in government, democracy could shift to real-time digital feedback. AI analyzes public sentiment from social media and news, creating a live dashboard for policymakers. Citizens become constant data points, shaping policy continuously. It's a radical reimagining of the relationship between people and power. The rise of AI-powered government is no longer a question of if, but how far we'll go. Automation promises efficiency and evidence-based decisions, but blurs lines of accountability. If an algorithm makes a life-altering decision, who's responsible? The real question, where do we draw the line between AI as a tool and as the ultimate authority? This is more than a tech debate, it's about the future of society. The next era of politics may be defined by code, not charisma. The future of government is being written. Who or what will hold the pen?